Hello, in this video I'll be talking about C and basics of C programming. C is a general purpose, low level programming language which was invented in 1972 by a person called Dennis Ritchie. It is the foundation of many languages like C++, C Sharp, and Python. So, C is unique because it is used in system programming, hardware, and sometimes even in game development. So to start off, this is a small code snippet in C. The first line is include stdio.h. This is a preprocessor directive which tells the compiler to add input and output, which allows us to use printf, which is to print things. The next line is int main. This is our main method, which has a return type of int, which is integer. This is a general thing to do in C, to have return types as integer, as it returns 0 on a successful execution. The next line is printf hello. Now, this will print out hello to the console and then exit with 0, which is a successful exit. If I run this, we can see that it prints out hello. Now, I'll talk about data types in C. There are three main data types: integers, which are represented by int; floating points, which are decimals; and characters, which are characters like A, B, and C. So, to initialize an integer variable, we'll use int and the variable name, I'll call it number, and then its value, 10, followed by a semicolon to end this line. Next is float, which is a decimal, like 0.3. Next are characters, like A, and ending with a semicolon. To print this out, we'll use the printf function. Printf, and in the brackets, I'll do percent %d. This will allow us to print decimal values. Right? This will allow us to print number values. %f will allow us to print decimal values. And %c will allow us to print characters. Now I want these to be print on a new line each, so I'll use /n. Now each of these values will be printed on a different line. This is because /n adds a new line after printing the value. Now I'll print this. As you can see, it has printed 10, it has printed 0.3 with following zeros, the character A, and hello. Now as you can see, our decimal prints 3 followed by zeros, but we have inputted only 0.3. To print out a specific number of values after the decimal point, we use point 1 to print out one value after the decimal point. Now if I run this, it will only print 0.3. If I wrote point 2, it could print out 0.30. These are about data types and basics in C. Thank you.